Hi, today we're going to be making taco stuffed peppers. We're going to do our meat mixture on the stove. Once we get that all cooked up, we're going to stuff our peppers and cook them in the air fryer. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I have 1 pound of ground beef. It's 80% lean, just in case you're interested. Just added my taco seasoning. I make my own, at least I have been lately. I added 2 tablespoons. You can use store-bought. If you use store-bought, go ahead and use the whole envelope. If you're doing your own, add about 2 tablespoons. And I have a medium chopped up yellow onion. Now I'm going to get that out of there. I'm cooking my wheat. I'm cooking my meat all the way through. You can add black beans to this also if you want to. I was going to do that, but apparently I don't have any. I thought I had 1 can, and I don't. I add 1 cup of cooked rice. Use any kind of rice you like. I'm going to add some corn, probably about 1 cup. You can use frozen or canned, which I'm using canned today. Now we're going to add some salsa. I'm using chunky, and I'm probably going to add about a cup. And we'll see how that looks real quick here. See if I need to add more. I think I'm going to go ahead and just add just a little bit more. Okay, now I'm just going to go ahead and turn the heat off, and I'm going to add a cup of cheddar cheese. Use your favorite cheese. Go ahead and mix this in. I turn the heat off. I have my washed green peppers. You can use red, yellow, orange. I'm going to go ahead and cut the tops off of these. And I'm just going to go ahead and take out the insides. And I'm going to do the same with the other one. Okay, I have the peppers all cleaned out. If you notice, this one's sitting a little wonky. If you're having the same issue, you can go ahead and cut off a little bit of the bottom, but don't go all the way through. I'm going to go ahead and cut off this piece that was uneven. And there we go. Since I'm only using 2 peppers today, I'm going to use my little pan that came with my air fryer, just so they will not tip over. If you're making several, you should be just fine putting them all in here without any issues of tipping. So before we fill these up with meat, I'm going to cook these for 5 minutes on 350 degrees. I just want the peppers to get a little bit of a head start. It's been 5 minutes. I just took these out. Now these are going to be hot. I have a paper towel here to hold it with so I don't burn myself. I'm going to go ahead and fill these up with our meat mixture. I'm going to go ahead and just add a little bit of salsa to the top of these. We're going to go another 5 minutes on 350. I took my peppers out after the 5 minutes. These peppers are basically done. I put my cheddar cheese on top and I stuck it in the air fryer without turning it on, just so this cheese could melt just a little bit, so when I go to turn it on, it don't go flying everywhere. So I'm going to put these back in for just 2 minutes to get that cheese melted good. 350, 2 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and take my tongs and take these out. These are nice and tender. And there are our peppers. So I hope you give this a try. It's fast, easy, and delicious. And if you have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so. I upload videos weekly. And if you click on that bell below, that will notify you when I upload a new video. So with that, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon.